Well, Daniel and I are back on the road again doing some more filming. Not for my kind of town this time, but for a news item. But it did get me thinking, when we do record my kind of town, they always get me involved in some kind of activity. And one of the first things I did for the Ardrossan programme was having a go at bowling. Now, quite a lot of blind people play bowling. I have never played it before. And luckily I met up with a coach when I filmed this item, so have a look.
Morning, Ian. My name's George Miller.
Nice to meet you. You're Hamilton?
I'm going to be a coach today.
Oh, you've got a task in your hands.
Well, I see you've got a visual impairment.
Right, okay.
What is your sight like at all?
I have got nothing at all, so
Nothing at all.
No.
Have you got any other physical disabilities?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
It's coming from Lanarkshire, okay?
Well... I was a bit remiss there. I've got a safety feature which I forgot to mention.
You have to wear helmets?
No. Always put your balls behind the mat in a safe distance.
Oh, I see you trip over them.
Very good. That was excellent delivery. Really good. Remember how you do that. That ball was about a yard from the jack.
That's okay. I'd accept that.
That is brilliant.
So, but why do you guys come along here?
Oh, I've been here for 45 years. I've been in the club.
Have you?
Open day.
It's a long time.
It is.
Are you any better than you were 45 years ago?
No, I'm getting worse because I'm getting older. Because I'm getting older.
We've got two under 25 world champions in the club.
It's not you then?
No,
You're not under 25?
no, I'm just 26.
You're 26?
I just missed it.
Did you? So, do you both live in Ardrossan, do you?
Yes. Well, no, I'm sole coach.
Oh, you're a incomer?
Yes. I was born in Ardrossan.
What was it like when you were growing up here?
Good, wasn't it?
Town's changed a bit though, hasn't it?
Oh, yes. The whole world's changed.
So you playing today?
Yes,
Are you playing the pairs as well?
yes, 12 o'clock.
Are you playing against these guys here, or are you?
Oh, well, no, they're not good enough for us.
They don't get playing now.
Are you in the Premier League bowling, are you?
Aye, that's it, aye.
Division.
Aye.